and all the oil's coming on this side. So once in a while, suggestion, because I have this great pan, see this thing here? Grab it from here, lock it in place, move it to the right, bottom opens up, lock in place. There it is on top. Alright, today we're going to bring a VEVOR set. It's a pan set of, this has 6 items, but I'm going to show you a couple of great features that this has. Now, just to let you guys know, this is not dishwasher safe because they're ceramics. You don't want to wash them on the dishwasher or you're going to lose its touch or they might break and shatter. So be careful. Don't put them on the dishwasher, first of all. Alright, now these don't have any handles, as you can see. They have 2 handles, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. Not only that, they give you 2 covers too. 2 plastic covers, so if you want to have extra food, leftovers, you can just cover them up. This is an awesome little feature that they have in here. You're going to have to set these up. These are the handles for the glass, because they do also give you 2 of the glass setups, all right? Now, let's go over the pans, all right? You got 2 deep pans, a larger one and a smaller one. If you guys can see that, this is a flat base pan, this little smaller one. And here's another one, the larger one, if you guys can see that. Now, this is the grill. Those, if you want to get those taste like those like hamburgers that taste just like in the stores and you bought like in some fancy place, you're going to use this. And this is a little wok, like a little small little wok, it looks like, right? So I like this feature. Deep, this is a deep one too. And 2 glass with the silicone covers at the end, they are all around the lips, if you guys can see that. And of course, like I said, these are silicone, but you got to set these up. Instructions, a couple recipes in the book. Like I said, ceramic. This is not Teflon, so it's healthier. You don't have to worry about a lot of chemicals or anything because it's all ceramic, natural base. So let's use them and let's wash them first. All right, wash them first and start using them. How they work, all right? First of all, you have a lock and unlock, if you guys see. And it's a safety feature in case you don't want to drop anything if you have oil or anything like that. So to unlock it, you got to push it to the right. If you, well, it's to the left on here. So you push the button, but it's still not unlocked until you actually physically push the button, right? Now to lock in place, you just grab any from anywhere, and it has a grip on it, right? From anywhere. And all you got to do is push it back, right? Push it back until you hear that little lock, right? That's it. That's pretty much it. Now, look at this. It's not going to fall, all right? It's completely locked in. From the bottom, the lip is being grabbed on. From the top, the lip is being grabbed on. Now, these are extremely awesome when you're frying stuff. They don't overheat. Water doesn't, any oil doesn't hit in here because they keep away. My recommendation, don't leave it in here when you're cooking something like that. All you got to do is let it go. Look at this. You still can't let it go, right? You still can't let it go until you actually physically push the button. That's the only way. So they give you 2 of them. All right, so I'm using all the pan set here for frying, panko, and then all the eggs, the buttermilk, and then soaking right here. This is where it dries up. This is the grill one. I put a little thing. Now, once in a while, when I come in here, grab this from one edge, all right, lock it in place, move it around because I like to make sure that, because so unfortunately this is not even, I got to keep constantly moving it, so because the oil keeps coming on this location. This is not hot. It's perfect for this kind of scenario, especially when you're frying like I am.